let's get it going. Hi guys, I hope that you're very well. Welcome back for a new video. My name is Sylvana and today we will be talking about the new moon in Capricorn. What does it mean? What rituals to set up for this new moon? What is it all about? And of course, as always, my go-to crystals that you need. Let's just dive into what is the new moon in Capricorn? What does it even mean? Because not everyone is familiar with those words, right? Let's keep it simple. There will be a new moon in Capricorn. It's the first new moon of 2021. It will be the perfect time to set intentions for this new year if this hasn't been done already. New moons in general are the perfect time of the month to set the intentions we want to manifest for the rest of the month. Let's talk about a good new moon ritual for this Capricorn new moon that you can create yourself to make the most out of this time of the month. You can do this ritual either on the day of the new moon or on the next day. It doesn't actually matter, and I'll tell you why. It's not only during a full moon or new moon that the energy is going to appear. This moon's energy starts a couple of days before and ends a couple of days after. So it's for you to pick the moment that suits you best. Sit down comfortably, set up a nice mood. Take this time for yourself. Allow yourself to disconnect completely from the external world. If you, for example, have a little cleansing ritual that you like to do at home, then now is the perfect time. I love to use selenite myself. Here, it's a great crystal for cleansing or healing your environment. It's a purifying crystal. You can see it radiates beautiful light energy. That's my go-to. But if you're someone that practices, hopefully, ethical smudging, definitely it's something to do as well. You can burn sage or palo santo, obviously ethically sourced. Definitely check on Etsy for ethical sellers, ideally indigenous people, or you know what, grow it yourself, even better. Do your cleansing ritual, then grab your journal, reflect on what's been happening so far this year, so far this month. It's only the beginning. What have we already achieved? If I was to suggest questions that would be really nicely related to this new moon with Capricorn energy. Capricorn is a sign that invites us to move forward, to never give up, so that our steady small progress gets us to actually achieve what we want and manifest. Capricorn also has an energy that reminds to remain connected to our integrity, to align our words with our actions. So during this new moon, I would like to invite you to align your words with your actions. Take the time to be honest with yourself. If I was to give journaling ideas during this new moon and your new moon ritual, I would say, ask yourself the following questions. 1. What are your deep values? 2. Do you feel aligned with your values? Do your actions seem to coincide with your values? 3. What could you do to make sure that this correlation actually happens between your actions and your words? And once you have finished this ritual, you can close it by doing a small prayer, if that word seems right, or a meditation, in order to really honor these energies coming into your life. That would be my ideas here around what you can do to make the most out of Capricorn's human energy. So let's go and start talking about the crystals that are perfect for this Capricorn new moon energy. I think black tourmaline is great because Capricorn wants us to climb that top of that mountain, so to speak. We have to stay grounded to get to the top. Black tourmaline is that beautiful shield against negative energy, that beautiful energy of protection, against external bad energies, but also internal, so any form of negativity or difficulty that might also come from the inside. To meditate with your black tourmaline during this new moon and focus on the following keywords. I am unlimited in all aspects of growth. I enjoy the process of self-development. I trust that slow and steady wins the race. These would be great ideas of affirmations you can meditate with while holding your beautiful black tourmaline crystal. Those of you that are not so familiar, this is what black tourmaline looks like. Here you can see it occurs like this naturally. It's a beautiful black crystal. Everyone needs black tourmaline. It's perfect. It's perfect in so many ways. My second crystal pick for you is hematite. It's beautiful metallic crystal here. It's a wonderful mineral, also connected with the roots chakra, just like black tourmaline. As a magnetic stone, hematite is said to help us draw in success and help us manifest in that way, which ties in so well with Capricorn's new moon energy. It's a great crystal to help us be more confident and to accept more praise and success coming our way, being able to fight any form of pressure coming from external environments. If you're someone that's naturally modest, or if you do not usually take credit for your achievements, you struggle with that area of your life, hematite is said to support in this, as it will bring praise and rewards coming your way in different ways. So yeah, if I was to give you an idea of an intention to meditate with, if you happen to have some beautiful hematite crystal, it would be something along the lines as, may I continue to use my vulnerability as strength in building towards the greater good. So I would say these two would be great to work with. Now, if you don't have any of those, you could go for other options. You can go for black onyx, black jet, black crystals in general work very well. I think root chakra is kind of the idea here. So going for stones that really associate with that type of energy would be the best. And then same for hematite. If you don't have hematite, you could go for other similar crystals with similar benefits and properties. These are, of course, just ideas for you, and hopefully they will help you with setting up a wonderful, beautiful, and meaningful new moon ritual for yourself. Please let me know in the comments down below, what are your favorite crystals for this new moon in Capricorn? What ritual do you plan on setting up for yourself? Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. That would mean a lot. My name is Sylvana, and thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.